AI, artificial intelligence. Today, businesses are leveraging AI for the ease of business operations. AI is becoming the most essential tools for business automations, making predictions, and improving decision makings. So, what it is? Anything or any device which can act humanly, which can think humanly, which can act logically, and which can think logically is an artificially intelligent product. So here we are coming up with an event AI-GloLo, Global to Local Impact through AI, where we will deep dive into AI algorithms and unlock their secrets. We will looking into how AI ML is changing the lives of CXOs, what change is coming into the life of manager through AI ML, how ChatGPT can be used or integrated with different tools and technologies, how we can leverage Excel to empower AI ML applications.
Hello Google. What is AI-GloLo?
YouTube online event that will explore the power of artificial intelligence, organized by Indeed Inspiring Infotech.
So, this is my Google Assistant and you have it too, whether it can be Siri or Cortana. And the trending one, that is ChatGPT. It is there to help you out, whether you can be a student, industrial expert or MSME. It is there to help you in every aspect of your life. You can write email or you can create formulas with the help of it. There are AI tools which helps you to create the content for the content creators. And we have AI tools which helps in making presentations if you have the industry presentation, where it also helps in MSMEs for customer relationship management and virtual assistants, as well as for its financials. They can do financial analytics. Customer segmentation would help in marketing and advertisement optimization. So this event would enable you in wise use of AI tools and its frameworks.